Here I have VIVO X51 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the network and internet, hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. You can turn it on here. You can also change its name here. You can change its security protocol. Here you can change its password. You can also set it to turn off automatically if no one is connected. And you can also change its AP band. And you can switch portable hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.